Hey GlamDollz, I'm here today to share with you all how I apply these Glam Fantasy Kiss artificial nails. And if you want to see how I did it, keep watching the video. I'm going to start out by using some clean white cotton balls. I'll also be using a regular nail file. Then I'll be using this Onyx Professional nail polish remover. What I love about it is it's enriched with vitamins E and grapeseed oil, and it removes everything. I'm going to saturate the cotton ball and clean my fingertips and as well as my nail bed. Cleaning my fingertips will help remove the oils from my skin so I can handle the nails much better. I'm going to go ahead and then take the nail file and gently buff the surface layer of my nails. There's no right or wrong way of doing this, and this is totally optional. I'm doing this to create a rigid surface so the nails can adhere that much better. So within the pack you get some nail adhesives and you get a nail file. You also get the nail glue, so that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to take the nail glue and apply a little bit of it directly into the nail bed, and then I'm going to position it onto my nail, get it in position, hold for 3 seconds, and then release. Again, take a little bit of the nail glue, put it inside the nail, attach it to my nail bed, make sure it's not crooked. Then I'll apply some pressure, hold, count to 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I'll release. And I'm going to repeat this process. Now, there's another way I like to apply my nails too. Sometimes I'll take the nail glue and, spread it on my nail itself and then attach the artificial nail. Same method. Once I get the nail on there, I hold with pressure. I count to 3, like 1, 2, 3, release, and the nail adheres that way too. I like to apply my nails in 2 different ways. There's no right or wrong way of actually applying these artificial nails. It's all a matter of preference, and I like doing it this way too, by applying the glue directly on my fingernail, then taking the artificial nail, position it on there. Once I get it in the right position, I hold with pressure, count to 3, and release. And there you have it. Now doing the thumbnail the same way. Apply the glue directly onto my thumbnail, spread it out, like as if I'm painting my nail, but I'm using nail glue. Take the artificial nail, attach it onto my nail, make sure that it's in its right position. Once it is, hold for pressure by counting to 3 or 4, and then release, and then the nail will be attached. So once I get the nails attached, here's your before and after. Not bad. I love the way this is coming out. So now I'm going to repeat the process on my other hand, and voila. This is how I apply my artificial nails. This part is totally optional. I usually take some clear nail polish and, paint over the artificial nails. It gives it a more finished, polished look, like a salon finished look. And once I finish painting my nails, I then go ahead and use the Onyx Professional nail dryer, which is a 2-in-1. It dries my nails quickly, and it also conditions my cuticles as it does it. So on that note, dolls, this just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.